In a sunny kitchen, a curious kid scientist invites viewers to discover what happens when a balloon meets hair. As the balloon rubs along the hair, electrons move, giving the balloon a negative charge that can grab light paper scraps. Static electricity is invisible charges that cling when particles swap electrons, a small tug at a distance. Steps: inflate a balloon, dry hair works best, rub for about 10 seconds, then bring the balloon near tissue to watch them jump. Try this safely at home with an adult, and let curiosity spark questions about why things attract or repel.